I'm a big fan of knives made in the USA, and this one from ESEE is a really nice knife. It's a great size, it's a great shape. It's from ESEE, the Izula 2 from Rowan. It's got this great like stone grind type of finish, stone wash I guess type of finish. It's got the G10 handles that are super grippy. They're not scalloped or anything, but the material is coarse and it's easy to hold on to. It's smooth, but it's pretty porous. Great open lanyard hole, really good shape, blade shape, and overall knife design. Comes with a really low pro, solid, well-made scabbard that it locks into. Very easy to remove it. From ESEE, the Izula 2. Hope this helps.